I'm not bad. I'm just drawn that way.
Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire.
So hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Or if you're new, hello, welcome. I'm Jack, but when I'm in drag, I go by Luna Rose because I'm the flower that blooms at night. And happy Valentine's Day. I just really want to play in the color red and do like a full-on over-the-topic drag kind of monochromatic Jessica Rabbit, but S&M and latex edition transformation for Valentine's Day. So this is the look that I came up with. I really hope you guys enjoy this transformation. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below any other videos you want to see from me, and don't forget to subscribe to a bitch and hit that notification bell to tell you when I upload. There should be one new video every single Monday, 8 PM at Greenwich Mean Time. And if you think this is the last of my little looks for the theme of love, sex, and fantasy this month, you thought wrong. There's still a lot coming. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. So I'm going to be starting this look off with my body already kind of tanned up and a kind of base done for my breast contour. And then for my face, I first prepped it using my Becca Backlight Priming Filter. Literally a holy grail, leaves my skin so glowy and delicious. And then I just lightly color corrected using my peachy toned color correcting shade. And then I went in with this really super intense orange, since I've been noticing recently my beard's been showing through a little bit more. So I thought I'd colour correct the shit out of that bitch today. And then heavily set that down using a little bit of Coty Loose Airspun powder. And then for my foundation, I just went in with my usual full coverage highlight and contour routine. I will leave my routine linked down below in the description box, but pretty much super full coverage Krylon TV paint sticks everywhere. And then heavily set down with some more loose powder, which I managed to get right into my eyeball. You can literally see it right in my eyeball, and it made my eyes water for like the rest of the video. So just ignore that. Heavily set on your face, don't get it in your eye, girl. Pro tip. After the powder's kind of warmed up and baked to my skin for around 10 minutes, I then just lightly dusted it away using a kind of bronzy toned face powder, quickly filled in my brows off camera, and I went super intense and dramatic. And then for my eyes, I thought I'd try something different. I've been seeing a lot of people use a card to get their like eyeshadow really like sharp. So I just took a mixture of browns and then really deepened kind of the outer V of my eye with a chocolate brown, and it's my new, like, favourite thing ever. It was literally the easiest, quickest thing to do, and I was shocked. It literally gave me a full-on intense drag smoky eye in literally under 4 minutes to do both eyes. So, miracle, gonna keep doing this. After I was kind of happy with how it was all blended and looking, I just carved out my eyelid space using the Kevyn Aucoin Sensual Skin Enhancer Concealer, and just lightly set it down with a little bit more face powder, just so it didn't, like, budge around or crease up on me. And then for that gorgeous red, I went in with my Give Face Cosmetics Construction Palette, and I took the shade Fantasia, I think it's called, which is a gorgeous, intense red shimmer, and this red is honestly what inspired this whole look. It was so pretty. I first initially just did it along my lower lash line, and then I was like, oh no, I kind of want like a little bit more red since it's like a Valentine's Day look, so yeah, my eye was still watering from that powder, by the way. Like, it kind of ruined my makeup a little bit. But then I just patted a little bit of red on the kind of like outer V crease area, and I was like, oh, that's really pretty. And then I was like, no bitch, we're going full force. We are going full red glitter cut crease moment. So packed it all over my eyelid, and it is truly stunning. Like, absolutely stunning. From there, I just went in with a really deep chocolate brown and just kind of smoked out kind of the whole eye look. I wanted it to be a little bit more like sexy and seductive, you know, like wearing red latex. I wanted red, and I wanted drama and sex appeal. I then just took a little bit of this Stila Kit and Karma Glitter and Glow Metal eyeshadow and just ran that like along the inner portion of my lower lash line, just to add a little bit of like fun glitter. And then I took a little bit of pink glitter kind of over the central portion of my lid, just to drag it all up a little bit more. From here, I just popped on a little bit of like gold glitter on the inner corner of my eyes and threw on some winged liner. For contour, I went really heavy since I was then like feeling the drag moment. I was feeling like the full fantasy, so I chiseled out all those features, bitch. I then very heavily packed on blush. Like, blush is my favorite thing, so I I went ham girl. I then really wanted a pink toned highlighter, so I took Pink Heart from the Anastasia Moonchild Glow Kit and just drenched my skin in it. Like, I wanted like a full on pink moment. For my lip, I took Nurse from Sugarpill and then filled it in with Cherry Wet from Jeffree Star Cosmetics and added a little bit of like pink glitter to like the center of my lip. You couldn't really tell in the end, but I was really happy with how this look turned out. It was something a little bit different, a little bit more dramatic and severe and draglicious, but I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.